Hey guys, Lance from ThedaTraders.com here. Just wanted to look at Robinhood Legend account. So I finally got access to this. You could have widgets that move around stuff. These are the trades I did using the Theta Pro indicator today. So I filled on Apple, 3 contracts with 9 premium. Took in 9 times 3 is 27. Doesn't say, that says it if you click it. So I sold the 217.5 put, bought the 215 put. Carvana sold 2 of these, 222.5, bought the 220, took in $12 for that. Coin, I sold the 260, sold the 262.5, bought the 260, took in $15 each on that. So it shows on the order flow exactly what you actually filled in. It even showed canceled orders. I tried to close out the coin one for 0.03, but it didn't close, so I just canceled it out. So I had widgets here. You could do a watch list here. I had spreads. I think you could add new watch lists and whatnot. Let's just practice coin in here. And you could add different symbols that I already did. You can see a quick change in the price and the last. You might be able to get more data. Again, this is the very first time I'm using this. Customize columns. We could look at the high and the low, open, bid ask, and so on. Let's see what other fun little toys are here. You could easily move these around. We have a chart. Let's see how coin's doing right now. I got it. The coin shows simple bars here. You can change to the little lines, bars, candles. You can even draw in there if I want. You can see coin I sold at 262.5. I gotta drop it down to get there. So right here or so. So coin has to go all the way down there by Friday, otherwise I would lose. I would win on the trade if it doesn't, and take in 15 on a 2.5 width. That's 6% on your money in a week if it doesn't touch that white line. All right, let's see what else they got. You can just easily delete stuff. You can move stuff around. We got positions, already have. You can look at the option chain. Let's switch it to Carvana. 40 TE. See the calls and the puts. I need more room. Let's move it over. Pretty nice user interface. You can easily move stuff around like that. I need more space. Let's get it. And let's see if it'll let me. It's market's closed, but 244. I'd rather see the strikes go the other way. No, that's good. We can get more. Let's get more strikes going because I go far out of the money. Yeah, it shows that I have these. Let's see if it'll work. I'm gonna click the bid to sell, and then click to ask. It makes a put credit spread right away. Very nice. And then you could easily add credit debit, price and all that. Not bad. Not bad at all. I mean, that's mostly what you need. Let's see my nice little account summary. So what's neat is you could easily move these windows around, different sizes, and add or subtract things. As I move one, it gets smaller. So I got to see what's going on in my recent orders and push the other ones out of the way a little bit. I like it a lot. It is a very user interface friendly little gadget here. So if you're interested, do Robinhood.com. You got to request access to get the Legend account. It took me about 2 weeks before they gave it to me. I actually had it for a little while, but I never tried it yet. So yeah, I would give this a very clean, should I review it? I'll give it an 8.5 out of 10. Maybe it'll go even higher one day. So hopefully that was helpful, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.